In finance and statistics, the empirical rule helps us understand how data is distributed. Let's look at how this rule works in practice. You might see this referred to as the 68-95-99-7 rule. It describes the percentage of data that falls within specific ranges of a normal distribution. Almost all data points in a normal distribution fall within 3 standard deviations of the average, which accounts for 99.7% of all results. 68% of data sits within 1 standard deviation, 95% within 2, and nearly everything else within 3. Most data in the real world follows a pattern, but the empirical rule only works when your data forms that perfect, symmetric bell shape. This chart shows how the probability density increases as you move further away from the center point of the average. Keep in mind that this is a tool for estimation. Real-world financial data often has outliers that don't follow a perfect bell curve. Understanding statistics helps you make sense of market volatility. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics. Thanks for watching.